Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to this video on Google Scholar. Today we are going to explore one of the most comprehensive academic research search engine available to students, researchers and professionals. So Google has so many tools, like if you click on Google Apps, like there have so many apps on their list. If you even click on more from Google, you will find helpful many products. If you go down here, like you will get, like here is Google products, so you will get so many things. So among them we will discuss only about a Scholar. So this is the Scholar. You can find here like this, Google Scholar, or you can simply search scholar.google.com. Okay, so you will get this interface. So Google Scholar is a search engine specifically designed for academic research. It provides access to millions of scholarly articles, conference papers, theses, books, and other sources from various fields of study, such as science, technology, medicine, arts, and humanities. So if you want to use this Google Scholar properly, then just simply search here on the specific topic uh, of your field of research. You will get a list of relevant articles and sources ordered by relevance and impact. So if we search like environmental impact, okay, we'll search on environmental impact something. So it will give a lot of scholarly article. Like here you can see within 0.03 second it gives more than 7 million articles and research papers. So one of the greatest features of this Google Scholar is that it provides a citation. You can see every paper has citation count. So this citation count for each source, giving you an idea of how widely the source has been cited in other academic works. So this can help you determine the significance and impact of a particular source in your field. Okay, so that's why it's a great thing. Like if you click on cited by, this paper is cited by 1392. So if you click on here, it will also give the paper who cited this article. So there is another thing, like Google Scholar offers advanced search. Like if you click on here, you will find the option advanced search. So this advanced search will help you to search a specific articles published in a specific year or written by a specific author. This allows you to refine your search result and find exactly what you are looking for. Like here you can see a lot of options, like you can search with the words, and you can search exact phrase they uses in the article or publish our papers with at least one of the words. Like you can search within giving one word within the articles, like where my words occur. That means where is your words will be. Like you can search anywhere in the article, or you can search in the title of the article. So you can search in both way, like on paper or in the title. And written articles authored by, I mean, you can search by author or publication. Which publication? Here is written articles published in search like science or something like that publications. And you can also search by date. So advanced search is a great tool for refine or finding exactly what you were looking for. So you can check it out. Here also have my library option, where you can uh, where you can save or indicate your favorite paper, like giving that mark. So another thing is that whenever you are searching, like fast fashion environment impact, so you want article from 2019. Here the result is for any time. Okay, this result is for any time, but you want latest. We want latest article, so you can click on since 2023. You want to see that what kind of publication have published on this topic within 2023, very latest. So here you can see like 5,390 results. So it's about, this is February month, so here is not lot, but it's huge, 5,000 already. So now you can see all the papers. So in this way there have in this way you can really, I mean, whether you are a student, researcher, or professional, Google Scholar is a very valuable resource for your academic research. So try it out today and see how it can help you find the information you need. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos on academic research and education. So thank you.